vaso.
Sí, traigo vasos. Panela, leche y blanco a 10.
Ajá. ¿Cuánto está?
¿A 10?
10. Me das un vaso de tu elección. This week I've been taking a workshop on contemporary art concepts and sculpture here in Oaxaca. We've been working on an art project and studying contemporary art practices. Gracias. Yes. I'm really impressed with the depth of knowledge and the teaching skills of the artist here in Oaxaca. Yes. Today, our group is going out to visit a mine in San Agustin, Etla, where they quarry stone for use in art and design here in Oaxaca. I'm excited to learn some new things about the process of art making and development. It's been a lot of fun this week, studying art, making new friends, seeing the art practices. Fuimos en el colectivo para San Agustín, Etla. We rode the colectivo taxi from the Centro de Abasto and walked the last few blocks to join our companions for the journey to the mine.
¿Qué tal el camino?
Bien. I'm always caught by how much Oaxaca reminds me of my youth in Arkansas. Riding in the back of pickups, rural environment, and varied terrain. Finally, we descended the last section of Caliche Road into the quarry itself. Yes.
Buenos días.
Estamos aquí en la mina cerca de San Agustín, Etla. We're here in the mine where they are quarrying for stone. The name of the stone is Cantera. In the dictionary, la cantera also means quarry, so you can see es una mina. En Oaxaca, el trabajo y el esfuerzo es una colaboración. In Oaxaca, the work and effort is collaborative. Great things can be accomplished when people work together. Our host, Oscar Fabian from Detalles in Cantera, showed us the techniques for working with stone.
Entonces, esta punta nunca se jala de madrazo, es así y se gira. Entonces no es muy fuerte, pero he visto cómo lo hacen.
Toda la línea.
Over the course of the morning, we learned how to break the stone cleanly, how to transport it, and we even got to visit the studio to see some finished works.
Entonces a veces cuando ya tienen ritmo y todo, hasta parece que están tocando una melodía de...
Ajá.
Blancanieves.
Remember, thou art dust, and to dust you shall return. Recuerda que polvo eres y al polvo volverás.
Sí, produce a buen ritmo. Ya tiene sus clientes a quien les entrega. A mí casi...
This reminds me so much of my days climbing the bluffs in Arkansas as a child with my friends. At the end of that day in San Agustin, Etla, I felt a connection to the land, to the work, to my friends. And a short while later, we were back on the now fully loaded truck, riding into town with new stone for carving. I feel at peace when I'm in the bright sun and fresh air, learning new things in Oaxaca.